You must take personal responsibility. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind, but you can change yourself. That is something you have.
Hi. One more day to PSLE. What does it mean? It means that tomorrow is PSLE already. So let's take a look at today's question. In the figure below, not drawn to scale, a rectangular piece of paper was folded. We're supposed to find angle A. So now this kind of folding questions, right? We need to unfold them. Okay, so as you can see, the dotted lines would be the unfolded part. Let's look at the corners, okay? So since this is a rectangular piece of paper, the corners will be 90 degrees, right? So this is 90 degrees. Folded down, that's 90 degrees as well. Okay, next, let's look at this part here. We have 68 degrees there. Can you imagine if we actually flip that part back up to the dotted lines there? Now it's folded, right? Unfold it, okay, flip the paper back up. This would be 68 as well. So these are the two exact same angles they are 68 and 68. Now let's look at this triangle. Okay, the yellow triangle highlighted. Need to find that angle there. This angle. Okay, now how do we find that? Angles in the triangle, right? They make up 180 degrees. So in order to find that angle, we will take 180 degrees minus 90 minus 68, we will get 22. So that part there is 22 degrees. Okay, and let's look at that corner there. So once again, it's folded. And can you imagine that part being folded back up? This angle, that's 22 degrees as well. They are the same. Okay, so in order to find angle A, what we can do is take 90 degrees, which is a corner of the paper, right? The rectangular piece of paper. They all make up 90 degrees. And we take away 22 and 22 again, we will get 46 degrees. So angle A is 46 degrees. So that's all for this question. Good luck for your paper tomorrow. There will be one more video tomorrow before your math paper on Friday. I will be covering tips, common mistakes, and things to take note of. See you guys tomorrow.